And welcome everyone to the Danger Zone, the show that mixes danger, math, and fun. Haha, we have two contestants today, AJ Goguen from Middleton and Danielle Davies from Boxford. Today's topic is inverse functions. The first question goes to AJ. Mr. Goguen, which of these is the inverse of y equals 4x minus 6? A, y equals 1/4 x minus 3 halves. B, y equals 1/4 x plus 3 halves. Or C, y equals 1/2 x plus 3.
Alright, so I think the answer is B.
That is correct. Explain, AJ.
So first, after getting the inverse equation here, we figure out that we have to add 6 to get 4x by itself. Then, from there, since 4y, we divide by 4 to get y by itself. So our final answer right here is y is equal to 1/4 x plus 3 halves.
Correct. You're doing very well. The danger zone is getting lonely.
What's the danger zone?
You'll find out soon enough because the questions will be getting harder. AJ, back to you now. Is y equals the square root of 24x minus 10 the inverse of y equals 24x squared plus 10? If not, find the correct inverse.
So, for this problem here, what I did was you have to flip everything. So, as you can see, 24x squared goes to the square root of 24x. And then the opposite of addition is subtraction, so the square root of 24x minus 10.
I'm sorry, AJ, that is incorrect. What you have to do here is you have to first switch the x and y variables. Then you must subtract 10 from both sides. Leaving you with x minus 10 equals 24y squared. Then to simplify this further, you're going to have to divide by 24 on both sides. Then we still need to get rid of this square right here. So what we're going to have to do is take the square root of both sides. And then that's going to give us the square root of x minus 10 over 24 equals y. And that would be your inverse function. AJ, you got the question wrong.
What does that mean?
It means that you're in the danger zone. Proceed over to the danger zone. Our danger zone question will be for AJ. And folks, you know what happens if they get it wrong. Here is your danger question. In 1984, 87,073 households owned a computer. The increase in computer-owning homes per year can be modeled by the function C equals 87,073t to the power of 1,288.92. Find the inverse of this equation so that time, t, is a function of computers, c.
So, first off, you have to swap the two right here, the x and the c, or t and c. And then what you have to do is you have to divide by 87,073. So, and then you have to put the t to the exponent of the reciprocal of 1,288.92. And then, once you have all that solved, you have your final answer right here.
I'm sorry, AJ, that is incorrect. Because first of all, instead of raising it to the power of 1,288.92, you raised it to the power of 1,284.92, which is completely incorrect. And you also solved the function so that computers was a function of time, when the equation clearly asks for time as a function of computers. So now that we've gone through all the mistakes you made, let's solve this equation correctly, shall we? So, first of all, you should not switch the variables in this case, just solve for t. And then you do that by first dividing by 87,073, which gets you C over 87,073 equals t to the power of 1,288.92. And then to get rid of the exponent, you must raise both sides to the power of 1 over 1,288.92, which is the inverse of 1,288.92, which then gives you, in parentheses, c over 87,073, close parentheses, to the power of 1,288.92 equals t.
AJ, do you have any last words?
What?
Okay, what's my question?
Which of these functions is the inverse of y equals 2x plus 3? A. Y equals 2x minus 3. B. X minus 3 over 2 equals y. C. 1/2 x minus 3 equals y. And D. Y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1/3.
So for my problem, then you begin by swapping the two variables, and then you proceed by subtracting 3 from both sides of the equation. So you will end up with x minus 3 equals 2y. Then you divide on the entire equation by 2, and so ultimately your final equation is going to be x minus 3 over 2 equals y. The correct answer would be B.
Congratulations, Danielle, you were right.
Wait!
What is it, Danielle?
What is my middle name?
What? Mary. No. No.